Want to add a dynamic fade-out sec effect to your velocity edits in CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to create a fade-out sec effect for your velocity edits in CapCut. Let's dive in. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select two videos and tap on Add. Keep the video as short as you want. Tap on the overlay and select the white image. Adjust it and tap on Splice. Tap on overlay, and if you have to adjust it, you can even adjust it and tap on the tick mark. Keep the white image up to 0.5. Tap on duplicate. Keep it in the front of second video also. Select the video and tap on animations. Tap on out and select fade out. Tap on the tick mark and do it same for second video also. Now tap on the effects and video effects. Now search for vertical blur. Select the first option. Tap on the tick mark and keep it as short as you can. Keep it in the middle of first and second clip. Tap on adjust and keep the blur up to 70. Tap on the tick mark and tap on duplicate. Tap on the video effect again and search for sec. Select the first option. Click on it again to adjust it. Keep the intensity at 7. Adjust it as the blur. Select the video and tap on animation. Tap on rock vertical and keep it up to 0.2. Tap on the tick mark and do it same for second video clip. Tap on the first video and keep the keyframe at the beginning of the video and second one at the end of the video. Tap on the opacity and keep it up to 0. Tap on the tick mark and do it same for second video clip. Tap on the speed and select curve. Now tap on the flash in and tap on the tick mark. Do it same for the second video clip. Now preview the video. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. By following these steps, you can easily create fade-out sec velocity edits in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.